Why is the topic of stewardship by shareholders important and relevant?
It's important and relevant because it's become politically very relevant. In fact, stewardship is a very complicated thing, and the solutions proposed for it are the opposite. They're simplistic. But because it's politically charged, we have to address it.
And what are the requirements as a shareholder to be an effective steward?
To be an effective steward of an asset, you have to know a great deal about the asset, and you have to be able to devote enough time to actually make a difference to what happens. This isn't the case in most notional stewardships. In the modern economy, most shares are held by investing institutions. The investing institutions, the largest ones, hold stakes in literally thousands of companies. It's impossible to have either the resources or the time to be a steward in that context.
You say the core function of the listed capital market has fundamentally changed. In what ways would you say that it's changed?
The capital markets, the listed company structure, was created essentially, effectively in the 19th century to aggregate resources for investments that were too large for individuals or partnerships. Think of the railways, for example. Think of ports. These are all things that were very expensive to do. In the modern world, companies don't need the capital markets to raise capital for investment. Some of the largest companies in the world were private until they went public. You get huge amounts of money from venture firms, from private equity funds. In fact, if you look at the statistics, more money is taken out of the listed markets every year than is put in. The function of the listed capital markets today is as a tool for managing pension assets. It's a way of allocating and reallocating investments. It has nothing much to do with providing resources for companies to use.